Unlock your genetic potential for wealth with Genetic Wealth Code. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of financial freedom? Introducing Genetic Wealth Code, a program that helps you unlock your genetic potential for wealth. Genetic Wealth Code is a comprehensive program that teaches you how to use your genetics to create wealth. It includes videos, audios, and PDFs covering the science of wealth and practical advice. Genetic Wealth Code helps you understand your genetic makeup and develop a personalized plan for financial success. It identifies your genetic strengths and weaknesses, allowing you to tailor your plan accordingly. Here are a few reasons to try Genetic Wealth Code. It's based on the latest scientific research, covers everything you need to know, is personalized to your needs, and comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee.